Hey everyone, welcome back to another segment of Chai Pe Charcha. Today we are diving into one of the most talked about controversies in Indian politics right now, the role of Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar, the ongoing tension between the BJP and Congress, and the controversial Adani issue that has sparked heated debates in Parliament. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay updated with all the latest news and analysis. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Jagdeep Dhankar, the Vice President of India and Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Over the past few weeks, he has found himself at the center of a political storm. Dhankar, who assumed office in 2021, has been accused by the opposition of being biased and siding with the ruling BJP. His critics argue that he's been obstructing parliamentary discussions, particularly regarding issues that the opposition considers crucial. One of the most prominent examples has been the Adani issue. On the other hand, Dhankar and his supporters maintain that he is simply upholding the integrity of the Rajya Sabha, ensuring that parliamentary procedures are followed, and maintaining order in a time of increasing disruptions. He has made statements accusing opposition MPs of creating chaos and failing to respect the functioning of the House. So, why is the Adani issue such a hot topic, and why is it so critical to the opposition and, by extension, to the workings of Parliament? The Adani issue revolves around the massive conglomerate Adani Group, led by Gautam Adani, one of India's richest businessmen. Allegations have been raised about financial irregularities, stock manipulation, and close ties between the Adani Group and the ruling BJP. These allegations gained traction after reports from Hindenburg Research in early 2023, which questioned the transparency and financial dealings of the Adani Group. The opposition, led by Congress and other members of the India Alliance, has been demanding a parliamentary debate to investigate these allegations, fearing that the relationship between the BJP and Adani could have detrimental consequences for the country's economy and democratic processes. Now, this is where it gets interesting. While opposition parties want this issue debated in Parliament, BJP leaders, including Dhankar, have been actively blocking such discussions. But why is the BJP so keen to block discussions about Adani? The BJP and the Adani Group have been widely perceived as having close ties. Critics argue that Adani's meteoric rise is partially due to the BJP's favor. If the Adani issue were debated in Parliament, it could uncover uncomfortable truths about these connections, damaging both the image of the party and the business empire. The BJP might also be worried that an in-depth discussion in Parliament could cause panic in financial markets. Adani's conglomerate spans various sectors, including ports, energy, and airports. Any negative news regarding its financial stability could lead to significant market disruptions, affecting both the business environment and public confidence in the government's economic management. Beyond the financial impact, there is also the aspect of political maneuvering. The BJP is aware that the Adani issue could become a major election issue in future campaigns. Allowing a debate might give the opposition a platform to amplify their criticisms ahead of crucial elections. By avoiding a discussion, the BJP hopes to keep this controversy out of the public eye, at least for now. Now, let's circle back to Jagdeep Dhankar. As chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Dhankar holds significant authority over whether debates on issues like Adani can proceed. He's been accused of being overly supportive of the BJP's stance, especially in his refusal to allow discussions on the Adani issue. His actions, such as repeatedly adjourning sessions or cutting off opposition leaders, have led to accusations of bias. From the opposition's perspective, Dhankar is playing a crucial role in blocking their attempts to hold the government accountable. His refusal to entertain the Adani debate, they argue, is just the latest example of him siding with the BJP. On the other hand, Dhankar and BJP supporters insist that he's simply maintaining order in a chaotic and increasingly unruly parliament. So, what's the bottom line here? Is Dhankar simply doing his job, or is he complicit in the BJP's efforts to avoid uncomfortable discussions about Adani? It's clear that the opposition sees this as part of a broader strategy by the BJP to suppress any scrutiny of their ties with the Adani group. Whether you see Dhankar as innocent or as part of the problem really depends on where you stand in this political divide. One thing is certain, though, the Adani issue is not going away anytime soon, and it will likely remain a focal point of debate in Indian politics. What do you think? Is Dhankar being unfairly targeted, or is the BJP using him to shield themselves from tough questions? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time.